Well, for more perspective on what's next for this captured killer, let's bring in Matt Mangino, former prosecutor and criminal defense attorney. Matt, thank you so much for your time. So we know that he is now being transported to a state prison. They haven't said exactly which prison that is, but what kind of charges will he likely face now?
Well, I think he's likely to face, obviously, escape charges and other charges that would relate to the potential catastrophic situation that existed there for the community and for law enforcement. But Nichole, he's facing life in prison. And in Pennsylvania, that's life without parole. So he's not getting out of prison on the underlying charge that he's been convicted of, although there has been an appeal filed. These additional charges would only potentially add more time on to a prison term that's already going to last his entire lifetime.
And what type of surveillance is he likely to be under really from this point on, considering he was on the run for essentially 14 days?
Right. I mean, that's an excellent question. And it really begs the question is, why wasn't he being more closely scrutinized when he was in the Chester County prison? That's really not a prison. That's a county jail. So he was being housed in a county jail when he'd already been convicted and already sentenced to life without parole. He should have been shipped off to a correctional facility, which has much greater means to keep surveillance of him. And I would assume wherever he is sent, normally it's to a diagnostic prison and then someplace where he'll spend his entire prison term or his entire life. I would assume this surveillance of him is going to be very close because he's desperate and he's proven he'll do anything to try to get out of prison.
Yeah, he certainly has proven that. Matt, what eventually will happen here? Do you think he will be deported? Because we know he's suspected of another murder in his home country of Brazil, but obviously he's already been convicted to life for a murder here in the States.
Well, Brazil would have to, formally ask for extradition to have him taken back to his home country for prosecution of an alleged murder there as well. The question for the United States is going to be, can they trust that if he was sent back to Brazil, that if he were convicted, that he would have the same or similar sentence that he has in the United States? If not, then there's the possibility that this man could be back on the streets if it's in Brazil, and we know he can get from Brazil to the United States. So that's going to be an interesting issue for the United States authorities.
All right, Matt Mangino, we certainly appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.